have the right and left cerebral hemispheres. Right? It consists of the frontal lobes, the parietal lobes, temporal, and occipital. Deep inside, we can see the insula. These ridges here are the gyri. The indentations are the sulci. The central sulcus is one of the main sulci that goes all the way across from one side to the other. Anterior is the precentral gyrus. Posterior to it is the postcentral gyrus. Separating the cerebral hemisphere is the longitudinal fissure. The central sulcus separates the frontal lobes from the parietal lobes. The lateral sulcus separates the temporal from the parietal and frontal lobes. Posteriorly, we have the cerebellum, and going right across here, separating the cerebellum from the cerebrum is what?
What's the occipital?
No, what is this space?
Oh, transverse. Sinus.
Transverse sinus.
The sinus is a cavity. That will form there, but what is it? You're going to look that up. Then you look that up and come up with the answer. All right. So that is the, okay, then let's look at the cerebellum, right and left hemispheres. At the midline forms the vermis. These folds here are the folia. And then inside, if we look inside, we can see the arbor vitae, the white matter. We'll open this up. This is the cingulate gyrus. And we have the corpus callosum. The lateral ventricle would be here, and covering it is the septum pellucidum. That's the fornix. Third ventricle is down here. This is the thalamus, intothalamic adhesion, hypothalamus, optic chiasm, mammillary body coming off right here, which we see on this side, is the infundibulum and the pineal and the pituitary gland. Posteriorly, here we have the epithalamus with the pineal gland, the corpora quadrigemina, which consists of the superior and inferior colliculi. We go down the cerebral aqueduct to the fourth ventricle, down the central canal. This here is the pons, and then the medulla oblongata. All right? I think that's everybody.